Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9 and let me show you how to reset camera settings on this device. So if you meet any camera problems, if the camera freezes sometimes, then let's open it. Let's open the camera app and let's choose the three dots icon. It should be in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the settings, the very first option, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see here, we've got restore default settings, so let's tap on it. And if you are ready to restore camera's default settings, let's tap on OK. Let's get back, and actually this is it. As you can see, now we have to allow the camera to tag our photos and all of those conditions. So it really means that the camera just goes back to its default state. So that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your Xiaomi Redmi 9. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.